everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a review on my buddy Erasmo's car. It's a 135i, it's an N54 powered car, and it's fast. It's like incredibly fast. He's on stock turbos, but he's running E85 and a bunch of other goodies. It's full bolt-ons. Also, it's got a straight pipe on it, so it's pretty freaking loud. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it. We're about to drive this thing. As you can tell, it's pretty freaking loud. It's just idling. So on some Federal 595s. This is the car. I did some glamour shots that I'll put up through the video, talk more about it. Yeah, god dang, guys, this thing is all sorts of fast, and there's no power steering. I forgot to mention that, so it kind of adds to the experience. This car is honestly insane. Yeah, no power steering, and this is pretty insane. Oh my god. Oh my god, you gotta have some muscle. PSI measurements are right around 19, specifically 18.9 PSI. Oh my god. As you can probably hear, it's honestly insane. I've never heard an N54 sound like this ever. I've known Erasmo for a long time now, ever since I had my 335. So when I had my full straight pipe on that car, it didn't sound as good as this. I think the reason why is because the exhausts are set up a little bit differently on these 1 Series, and it's a good thing because really they sound honestly insane. This is more like pure, and I mean, it's trying to make this car shoot flames is so funny. Like, you have to feather the gas so much and your foot gets so tired so fast. Erasmo's running E50. It's a blend of 93 octane and E85. Pretty much almost the most you can do without running like full pure E85. It's what a lot of people do for these N54 powered cars, because out of the box, like a better high pressure fuel system, which allows you to run more E85 in a blend. If you guys want to ever run E85, this is the way to do it. E50, especially if you have 93 available. We're just gonna do a quick little pull for you guys. Damn, she is fast. Let's put this back on before we start going around corners. Having no power steering honestly feels great. Like, you can feel the road so well. Oh my god, this road sucks, bro. Dude, it's not even like droney at all, and I'm like right under $2,000, but wait, it's not droney. So also, I forgot to mention, the transmission is actually flashed. I think it's by XHP. I'm not entirely sure. I'll make sure with the Osmo that's what that is. But shifts super quick. The inlet sound is so intoxicating. Like, I could do that all day and night. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, hit that thumbs up button. It helps me out a ton. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.